At first, get ready a slow clip into new project. Make the clip 0.4 seconds shorter. Duplicate the clip, then reverse it. Now save it and import to new project. Now make it speed 1.5x, then make it shorter a second at the end of the clip. Now add 3 keyframe like mine, then go transform advance and zoom in third key 170% and set Y-axis to 150. Go to graph and choose cubic out and cubic in. Now go to effects and add chrome blur effect. Set object all video, adjust lateral chromatic 50, then add a keyframe in the middle and set blur 40. Next set blur to 0 on first and last keyframe. Thanks for watching the video. Like, favorite, repost if it helps.